Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a fresh sugarcane juice at your home. So in this pandemic season, no need to buy the Ganna juice from the shop because it's not safe. So we can make this Ganna juice at our home and we can give it to our family members. First what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this sugar cane with this sharp knife, guys. So here I put the sugar cane which I chopped and I put it in the blender. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add half a cup of water, cold water. So here I'm adding half a cup of water into this, and I'm going to add some fresh mint which gives a nice taste in this sugarcane juice or the Ganna juice. So here I'm going to have some fresh mint from my kitchen garden. So don't add too much of mint, only little bit, which gives a nice taste. So here I'm adding this fresh mint into this. So I'm adding this lemon. So what I did, I removed the skin in the lemon and I'm going to add this one in that along with the sugar cane and the mint. And here I'm adding this kala namak, the black salt, which gives a nice taste in this sugar cane juice. So everything is ready, guys, and I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. Then after that we have to remove the juice from the strainer. So I added this sugar cane juice in the strainer and I'm removing the juice by pressing this one. So here I am removing the juice. Can you see, guys? So we have to put this sugarcane in the strainer and we have to press with our hand to get the juice. So my sugarcane juice is ready and I am putting this one in the glass. So the fresh Ganna juice is ready, guys. So can you see, very easily we can prepare this at our home. So yeah, so I got this full jug, and if you want you can add the ice cubes into this. Yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make sugarcane juice at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye. And this is the best drink for summer. Bye.